Understanding Lunge a horse, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, lunge a horse. This expression is not only interesting but also carries a specific meaning and cultural context in English. So, let's dive in and learn about this unique phrase together. Lunge a horse refers to a horse training technique where a horse is made to move around the trainer in a circle at the end of a long rope or line. This exercise is used to train, exercise, and assess a horse's movement and behavior. It's a common practice in equestrian activities and is an essential part of horse training. The key elements of lunging a horse include control, communication, and exercise. This phrase comes from the equestrian world and has been in use for centuries. It is not just a practical term but also sometimes used metaphorically to describe someone being taken for a ride or being controlled in a circular, unproductive manner. However, in most contexts, it retains its original, literal meaning related to horse training. In this section, we explore how the phrase is used in real life. Lunging a horse involves several steps. 1. Securing the horse, ensuring the horse is wearing a halter or bridle. 2. Using a lunge line, a long rope attached to the halter for control. 3. Directing the horse, using voice commands and body language to guide the horse in a circle. This exercise helps in developing a horse's balance, muscle tone, and obedience, and is a fundamental skill for equestrians. In addition to its practical use, the phrase also holds cultural significance, especially in regions where equestrian activities are prevalent. It symbolizes discipline, training, and the human-animal bond. Understanding this phrase can give learners insight into English-speaking cultures where horse riding and training are common. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, lunge a horse. I hope this lesson has been enlightening and adds a unique element to your English language learning journey. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the culture and context behind them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.